Well, hello world! It's Kami Dahlia, and thank you for tuning in for another video of mine. So for today's video, it's going to be a Boxycharm unboxing. But when you open the box, you get one of these. It tells you obviously what comes in the box and how much it is worth. So let me put this to the side so I don't forget it like last time. So when I open it, I see makeup brushes, and you can never have enough makeup brushes. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. Ooh, Ojitos brush set. Okay, so you get 3 brushes. Let me open them. I love them. I love the color, the green and the gold, the rose gold. Like this. Okay, these are nice. They feel nice. All right, so they are worth so they are $18. This looks like a this would be nice for like under the eye, like what is it called, a flat definer brush, or maybe you can use this for your eyebrows for a if you're using a brow powder, obviously your blending brush. And this would be nice for like packing on like shimmers right here in your eye. So I can't wait to use these right now. Look at this. Dirty, dirty, dirty. So I'm glad I got some brushes today. So with these brushes, we're going to take out this big palette right here, and I am excited. I love palettes. This is called Nightingale, and it's by Pretty Vulgar, and I'm pretty sure they're sold at Ulta. Okay, sorry, I'm trying not to get the reflection of the mirror in the camera, but this is a nice, pretty, cool. Oh, is this coming out? Don't be playing with me. Sorry. This is a very pretty cool tone palette. I usually use a lot of warm tone shades, so this should be interesting. This should be very interesting. Yeah, should be. That's all I have. Let's just dive in. Let's just dive in and see how these shades perform. Okay, so as you can see, Cody Frijoli woke up and he's saying, hi, hello, I'm here, let's keep it moving. So in case I didn't tell you, this Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar is $35, and obviously it's a full-size product. And then next we are going to try this little thing. It's from Butter London. It's called Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. This retails for $19. I don't know if you can see that little roll-on. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do my eyeliner with this little roll-on holding a 1-year-old. Wish me luck. Like, I just kind of want to just stop right here. Oh my gosh, let's just spray. Let's just pray. He's moving around. I'm not lying. I'm holding him. Let's pray to Jesus. I don't even know why I attempted this. I know I'm not good at liner, like at all. Like look at that. I'm gonna be honest. Liner and me don't get along. I cannot do a wing. Oh, he wanted to get down. Let me try. Maybe the other eye will be better. Okay, so this little thing, I hate it. As it is, I'm horrible at doing wing liner, and this just made it even worse. My lines, one's like this, one's like this. Horrible, horrible, horrible. So don't come for me. Don't come for me, please. But next is this Allure Gellar. What is this? The Baked Blush in Brighten in Tropic Hues. So let's give this a try. So that's really pretty. It gave me like a little sheen on the cheeks. Let me do my mascara real quick for my eyes. Be right back. Okay, so if I didn't tell you, the Lorac Gellar baked blush is $28, and clearly this is a full-size product. And now we are down to the lips, and I must say I'm quite disappointed because I was hoping for the Hank and Henry liquid lip. So instead I got this Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color in the shade Violet. This is Violet. Oh, it's like a crayon. Whew. Oh, and this retails for $19. Smells good though. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I was liking it until I got this like very bright purple pink kind of color. I wouldn't mind wearing this color during the summer, but with fall coming around the corner, definitely not. Overall, this is a really good box. I really enjoyed it. Like I said, don't come for me for the liner. Don't. I'm horrible at liner, and I knew it. I was going to be. And then with this little wheel thing action thing going on, yeah, I knew I had no saving grace. Okay, so overall, the total of this box retails for $119, and I got it for $21. That's a steal. It's a bargain. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour since I last filming, and I just realized that I didn't do my inner corner highlight or brow bone highlight. Like, what was I thinking? I don't know. So I'm going to go back in with Nightingale from Pretty Vulgar, and I'm going to take these two shades right here, and I'm going to use this, like I said, inner corner and brow bone. I don't think I need to zoom you in for this. Maybe I should have done the other one. Let's do a little bit of the other one, because it's not as bright as I'd like it to be. We'll just do all three. Let's just do a quick setting spray. And there's that. Okay, so this completes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Since you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment, share this video with everyone and anyone, and until next time, bye guys. And it's a, oh sorry, there we go, we'll do it like this. Sorry, I'm trying to get the, let's do it like this. No. Okay, so as you can see, Cody for Holy is in the house, and he dropped the next item. Hold on. Okay, so I'm back. But yeah, so since you made it this far, okay, so this completes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Since you made it this far, you might as well hit the subscribe button,